OSK-TECHNOLOGY has held leading positions on the market for 20 years in the production of pipes, pipelines, and pipeline components. Our products meet the highest standards in full quality control, including ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle and X-ray inspection, as well as hydraulic testing. Our pipes ensure resistance to high loads and aggressive environments. We manufacture products in accordance with manufacturing and compliance with DIN and custom technical requirements. We also offer a wide range of related products, enabling us to provide comprehensive solutions. As a result, enhancing our partners' business efficiency. OSK-TECHNOLOGY, proud to be made in Ukraine.